Hey, what's up guys? Jake here from Serenity Knives. I was in the process of making these new EDC knives, and was going to put some liners on it, and I just wanted to make a little video and show y'all a little slightly overlooked feature on a lot of the knives that we make here. The liner is just a great way to match, bring all the colors to handle to life. I have a couple examples. This is a pink pine cone handle, and we have 3 liners that run down the back. We got green, white, and green, and it just also with the green G10 pins, it really just brings a little bit more pop to handle than not using anything at all. Another example is this Argyle EDC knife. I did a Argyle laser etch on it, and just to kind of match that color pattern that you traditionally see. This is actually going to be a 10-part liner. It's going to be olive green, brown, white, brown, olive green, and it just really adds a lot of pop and flair to a handle. And so here I'm gonna do a little one to show y'all. Gonna mix up a little epoxy, just 15-minute quick set stuff. And just to show y'all how much, doing this process, especially if you're doing something with 10 liners, can be a little bit of a tedious process and add a lot of time into what you put into a knife. We also have to prep all these pieces, so these I'm going to glue up number 1 just real quick, but we basically have to flatten each piece to each other, make sure there's no gaps or anything, and then scuff it up to make sure we have better adhesion with the epoxy. So we're going to cover them completely. We don't have to worry about the spillover because we have this silicone mat, and actually I sprayed it with this stuff, so it's not going to stick at all. It actually just slides right off, so it's pretty convenient to have. So we're going to clamp these. These are going to shift a little bit as you clamp them, so you really want to make sure that they aren't going anywhere. And you can only really do 1 layer at a time because of how much they slide. So if you imagine doing 10-layer handle like this one, you got to do 1 at a time and then just keep adding on to that. So that can take a simple handle from 1 to 2 hours up to 3 hours to even talking about just glue time. So hopefully this shows a little light on all the little subtleties that the knives that we make. Don't forget to check us out at serenityknives.com.